All right, 1089 reasons I hate Photoshop. It is the least intuitive program on the planet, and it is extremely hard to learn and extremely frustrating. So I watched like 10 tutorials online. I have a client. This is his little logo, and he wanted to do a program called Courageous, and he wanted to basically take this and make a lion's head with the same kind of light bulb idea. So I grabbed a lion's head off of stock, and I've been trying to tweak it. I've been using this magic little selection tool here and grabbing these different parts and kind of stretching them out. So it's kind of about the same size as what he had. And then I was trying to just use a paintbrush to paint this piece right here. And this is paintbrush. Yeah, this is my brush tool. And I'm going to select where I'm black, right? Where I'm black. Why can't I brush? I can't brush here. I'm on that layer. Still can't brush. Can't brush on that layer. Unlock the layers and select this one. Still can't brush. Control D to deselect that other guy. Oh, now we can brush. Alright. I swear there's always some stupid... And why is it following the goddamn line? How do I get it to let me freehand? I hate it when it follows these stupid grid lines. I was trying to use the pen tool earlier and it kept messing up with the pen tool because the pen tool wanted to go to the stupid lines. Same thing with my lasso selection tool. It kept snapping to the grid and giving me these weird jagged edges everywhere instead of being a nice smooth line. Super freaking frustrating. Don't understand why you guys make this thing so effing hard to use. Is there like a shortcut key to shrink the size of this thing, or do you have to open this dumb thing up every time you want to try and shrink that cursor? Can I just like hold control and hit the scroll wheel? No, 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 that doesn't work. What about like a shift control? No, that definitely didn't work. Yeah, that'd be nice if I could just hold shift and hit control and then, you know. And like this is gonna look like garbage if I paintbrush this thing. Oh, let's control Z all of this bullshit, nanny. Okay, let's grab our pen tool, right? Should be easy. We should just be able to click along this curve, and there it goes, snapping to a line. Why? Why on earth? I don't want your dumb grid that doesn't even exist in my photo. I just want my actual line. Leave me alone, grid. There it is again. Look at this dumb garbage, man. What the F? Whoever invented that needs to be shot. That grid's not even in the drawing. Fuck you, I gotta zoom in all the way to here so it doesn't snap to the stupid grid. This is so retarded. Oh, snap to the grid, why don't you? No, and no. No. Right here, thank you. Jesus. I give up, dude. Alright, before I go any further on this piece of trash, I'll show you what I was struggling with last time. Alright, so say we connect this thing all the way back to here. Great. How do I make this black? How do I fill this in? Here's our paint bucket. Here's black. Okay, we're on black. Oh, now the whole thing is black, and I just want what's inside here to be black. God damn it. Last time I couldn't get anything to turn black. Now it's turning the whole bejesusums drawing black. Like, are you freaking me? This little shape that I drew. Why can't I make that black? I don't effing understand. Ah, fucking quit. I give up. No. Alright. There you go.